Rev up your engines.
87 Rose says, can I save my 20-year-old power steering pump that squeals and loses fluid with Lucas? No. Okay, let's take it. Power steering pumps, the hydraulic ones, they run at extremely high pressures. We're talking about 1,500 pounds per square inch up. No sealer is going to go in there and stop it from leaking. Just go get another one. Bite the bullet and buy another one if you want to fix it, because they have too much pressure. Even the rebuilt ones are generally garbage. When I do power steering pumps that are hydraulic, I always put in new ones. Now, if a customer doesn't want to spend for a new one, I'll say, look, if you want to buy a rebuilt one, go ahead and buy it. But I'm not going to guarantee anything other than I install it correctly. If it makes noises or leak, I'm not going to guarantee it, because the rebuilt ones are often garbage in power steering pumps.
So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.